Hey, what's up, Eligio? Corey here with Key Leads. I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips on what you can actually do to, apply these 3 tips. You're actually going to get a lot more phone calls and really help grow your business here. The 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got your website pulled up here. The first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Bringing your word count up, being really authoric in who you are and what you do. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer in those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how you're actually being found. Even these images, this is all content behind here. You got remodeling contractors, Allentown, with your name back there. Just be a little, just more specific with those keywords and add more images in there as well. And that's just going to help with your rankings and help you get on that first page of Google. So being about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words on that first page as well, which would definitely help. Now, if I go inside of Google and type in kitchen remodeling Allentown, you could do pressure washing. You could do whatever you want to, whatever kind of jobs you're actually looking for, you could actually put in there. But this is what you're going to see when you actually do that. You have this little map section here at the top. Some people call it a 3-pack because really the top 3 businesses really get all the traffic right here. But it's a real term is Google My Business. But really to get to the top 3 right there where all the traffic does happen, you're going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So ideally what we'd want to do is go get those same citations from our top competitors. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out and completely annihilate them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google comes by, crawls and does all their algorithms, they got no reason to put you in the very top for all that work that you've done on it. Right underneath this map pack here, we have that first page of Google, and this is where all the organic traffic actually happens. You do have some ads at the top, or excuse me, at the bottom. Usually they are at the top, which a lot of people have been going away with ads because of ad blockers. So in direct result, they land right here. And really to get there, you're going to be dealing with all that authoric content, making sure you're found for all those keywords that you actually want to be found for, whether it's kitchen remodeling, bath remodeling, whatever job, plumbing, if you do plumbing. But anyway, you're going to be dealing with that content, making sure you're found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from multiple different websites that's just really pushing power to your site. So that way you can get your website on that first page of Google, so you can actually bring in those leads. Now, if I not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and put it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool, just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. Looks like this is a newer site here. You're not pulling up too much data because of the new site for the last 3 months, but you do got 5 referring domains pushing back 50 backlinks. One keyword you're actually being found for, which you're missing all the traffic as well. We can actually see what keyword you're actually being tracked down for. Painting contractors, Allentown. So for that one keyword alone, there's about 20 clicks in the area for that one keyword. And you being 72nd position, you're missing all the traffic. Everybody goes shopping on that first page, not the 7th. Let me show you. This is a Schoolers. Put them inside of Ahrefs as well. Kind of give you an idea what they're actually ranking for. They're not really ranking in a good position, but they're being found for some keywords that we can actually go after. And really to get in a good position, that first, second, third, fourth, fifth positions where all that traffic actually happens, you're going to make sure you do all that, all that authoric backlinking, so that way you can get on that first page and really bring in that traffic. But kind of giving you a couple examples: kitchen remodeling, Allentown, PA, 20 clicks a month. He got 4th position. He's only getting almost 2 clicks there. Allentown bathroom remodeling, another 60 clicks. Let's find a couple. Kitchen cabinets, Allentown, PA, 30 clicks. Bathroom shower, frameless showers, Allentown, another 20 clicks. So really coming in, finding all these different keywords. And even if we only have maybe 100 or 200 volume, but as long as we're getting, 15, 20, 25% of that volume, we're going to be able to land 3, 4, 5, 6 deals at the end of the month, month in, month out as well, to help grow your business. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you get out, to help you get where you're going. Or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. I do love reviews, so if you want to come back, kick me a review, that'd be awesome. Thanks. Talk soon. Bye.